Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen, and today I have another crafty haul to share with you. This is a D-stash from my crafty boutique, LUISA. So, yes, you guys, I can't help myself. LUISA has great crafty supplies and sometimes even tools and all that good stuff. So, if you missed out, I'm sorry. But you gotta be subscribed to her channel to find out about all these great D-stashes. So I'm just cutting it open real quick. I think I got two. I can't remember. I can't remember. The other one might just, I don't know. I'm not sure, but this is the D-stash. I definitely know that this is the D-stash. And you guys are gonna freak out. Let me just adjust the camera just a little bit. You ready? This is a medium flat rate box, guys. Ta-da! It comes with containers and it's ready to go. You don't have to unpack anything. It's just already contained for you. Look at this. All these tassels, all of these paper clips, and even beads. Oh my gosh. Definitely gonna put this in my wood bead stash. Oh my gosh. And then all these beautiful colors of tassels. Ooh, girl, love it. And then look at this one. I think she made this one because she has a dangle and tassel on there. Maybe she might have, or maybe it came like that. Either way, super cute, super cool. I don't have to do anything. Keeping it just in this box. I'm not going to remove any of the supplies, really. And then it comes with some extra empty little miniature embellishment boxes. This is going to be so fun. Thank you, Louisa. This was all part of the D-stash, guys. She was making room because it was her birthday month. February is her birthday month. And she was making room for the new goodies that she was bringing into her supplies. So let me just show you a bunch of bows. Oh my gosh, the black and white bows, adorable. I love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And the next one, and I love that they're already contained in their own separate categories, you know? So these are like cupcake picks. And then this one is miniature paper bows. I used to have this collection and I used it all up. So great restock because these are all store-bought. I believe she got it from Michael's. I can't remember exactly where, but still, look at, and then all the clothespins. So we can make a bunch of little tags with these, with the wood veneers, with your embellishment pieces. So fun. And then we have more cupcake toppers. These I never got to pick up. I think these were from Dollar Tree. These are little cupcake toppers. We got the flowers, butterflies, and I think these mermaid tails, I think. Nope, just butterflies. So super cute. And they're ready. They're ready to be used. Here's another one that's, I think these are cupcake toppers too. Little, what are these? It just looks like fireworks. To me, these look like firecrackers. So it's super pretty, and you can add those into your projects, like little banners and stuff. So awesome. I love that they're all contained. I can't say that enough. I do have some of these toothpicks. I do, but I'm going to add those to the supplies. And then these little guys. What? I don't remember these, but thank you, Louisa. These are so cute. Maggie Holmes, that's what I'm thinking. I don't know about you. And then look at this paper clip. The fuzzy pom-poms. Oh my God. Wow. I don't know if she made those or what, but they're so cute. And then, not that I need any more of these, but I wanted it mainly also for this part right here. These are plastic, and these will be super cute on some projects like shelves and stuff like that. If you're making 3D projects and, you know, decorations and stuff. So And then the last container, it has the other scrunchies. She didn't even use this one. This one's still on the thing. So much goodies. Oh my gosh. So that is the first one. And then we're gonna go. I got another one here. I think I did. I don't know. I don't remember. Don't let me tell a fib. But we're gonna open this up, and yeah. Ooh, trying to make sure I don't cut anything that I'm not supposed to. Okay. Oh yes, this is another Destash. This is the flowers. Yes, yes, yes. I'm a sucker for the flowers, guys. Look at this. Woo! Look at these babies. Oh my gosh, this is perfect. Perfect for spring. Look at this beauty flower here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh my goodness. I love these flowers. And then some more of these. She had sent me some of these in a previous Happy Mail, and I used every single flower. I used them all up. They're foam, the little foam flowers, and you could, you know, maneuver the petals and all that stuff. But oh my gosh, LUISA, I love it. More flowers. Thank you, thank you. And then this one, I've never seen this, and it's really thick. I've never seen this one. I'm a sucker for flowers, I'm telling you, you guys. Wow, look at that. Ooh. Ooh, starts with a B, and I can't think of the word. But it's one of those flowers that you could pin to your shirt or your dress or your purse or whatever, anything. This one says Proud Auntie. Oh, that's cute. So you just take this off. You can take that off. Oh, I guess I get what this is. This is for like a baby announcement party shower thing. Very cute. And you could take them apart and use them as you wish. So cute. I love these felt flowers. These felt flowers. Oh my goodness. This is super duper thick. Wow. Look at that. They already come with the sticky back or this little wire here. How cute. And the colors too. Look, it comes in this lighter pink and this peach. How cute. Oh my gosh. And then she had these little puffy flowers. Oh, they're tulle with a little blingy on it. Oh my gosh, girl. So many. I love it. I love it. And then this is the last of the, oh, nice. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Very cool. But these flowers, oh, I love that. This one has bling on there. I think this is a Michaels. It might be a Michaels brand, this one. I think, maybe, maybe not. But then you got these back here. This I know is a Dollar Tree. I think this was a spring garland because I bought this one too. But that is so cute. And then these babies right here. I have a love-hate relationship with this one. I love that they're so ready-made and convenient, but I hate that Dollar Tree killed it with all the glitter. So that's gonna go to the side. It's not my most favorite one, but the rest I love. I love it. Like I got some and I used them in swaps and stuff, but as far as using it on my projects, like projects wise, I don't know. No, no. No, no, no. Because it gets everywhere. It's fully loaded with glitter. So, all right, let me put this to the side. And I think that's it, guys. Yeah, actually, that is it. That's all I've got for my crafty hauls. So I hope you enjoyed this one. Remember, if you're interested in Louisa's, you know, Destashes and stuff, you just have to be subscribed to her. She does it every once in a while. I don't think she's doing any more for right now. But, you know, you never know, because Louisa is one that, like, if she uses it and she's already, you know, she's done creating with it, she likes to get it out, like get rid of it, because there's no point keeping it. So anyway, thank you all for watching, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, hit the subscribe button. It's free. There's nothing, you don't have to pay anything. And I'll see you all on the next video. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, and that'll let you know when I load a new video or I go live. And I do go lives here and there. But I'll see you all in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.